camion qui est tout parti, on ne sait pas où. Enfin, j'ai jamais vu ça. Jamais vu. C'est pas Bernard qui me fait une petite, les amis. Mon camion, ah non, moi, ça, je ne l'ai jamais vu. C'est hallucinant. Voilà, va faire ma serre,
Tout qui vient de gauche là-haut. Tout qui vient de là, tu ramasses de là où il y a la boulangerie. Tout ça. Et comme tu ramasses tout et tu n'as plus qu'un point d'évacuation, c'est fini.
Heavy rainstorms that hit the Var region in southeastern France on Tuesday killed at least 3 people, according to new reports, including an 80-year-old couple in Lavandou on the coast. The areas of Lavandou, Vidauban, La Garde-Freinet, Grimaud, Collobrières, Môle, Cavalaire and Bormes-les-Mimosas were the worst affected. The accumulated rainfall sometimes exceeded 100 or even 250 millimeters, and strong wind gusts were also recorded on the coast, with speeds of more than 100 kilometers slashing. In the coastal town of Lavandou, a couple were swept away along with their vehicle by the floodwaters. The woman's body is still trapped inside the wreck, Touling public prosecutor Samuel Finiels told AFP, adding that the situation at the scene is quite difficult. In Vidauban, the deceased was also swept away by the flood with his vehicle. A driver and his passenger drove onto a country road that was completely submerged and fell into a ditch. However, only the driver was rescued by the municipal workers who happened to be there, said Mayor Claude Pianetti on Facebook. Reinforcements were sent, mainly from the departments of Bouches du Rhône and Alpes-Maritimes, to support the 200 firefighters mobilized who carried out around 50 interventions, including some for the rescue and securing of people, said the prefecture, which had explained in a previous press release that the orange alert for storms and floods due to rain in the department ended at 2 p.m., 12 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time.
Là, ça devient vraiment inquiétant.
The bad weather in the Var region comes a day after heavy rains caused flooding and damage this time in the southwest of the country, in particular on the Bordeaux-Toulouse railway line, where no trains have been able to operate for several days. In the Lot-et-Garonne department, the railway line was damaged after heavy rain caused ballast to collapse under the tracks, disrupting the Toulouse-Bordeaux-Paris TGV line. The TGV train was forced to stop on the tracks overnight from Monday to Tuesday, and its 507 passengers were evacuated by bus to the town hall. We narrowly avoided a disaster. The tracks were open and the TGV was stopped, the city's mayor Dante Renato told AFP. A train from Toulouse to Paris was stuck overnight in Agen because of the same incident, according to an AFP journalist on board. Its passengers were taken by bus to Toulouse on Tuesday morning to catch another train to Paris.
La route là, je vois pas où elle est.